Hi everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can do proper on-page SEO of your articles and make it rank better in search result. So here I have written an article like this, and let me just see the word count. So I will click on word count here, and here as you can see I have added a introduction like this around 65 word. And this is the title like 9 simple ways to reduce bounce rate on the website, and I have added a word like tips that works. So here I have mentioned the number here, and here I have used some powerful word like simple ways, or you can see like tips or that works. These are some powerful words that you should use in your title to improve your click-through rate. So let's check how you can publish this article to your website. So I will go to my WordPress dashboard, and I will go to post, and I will click on add new. One thing to note that you can write your articles in Google Docs and then copy it directly to your WordPress dashboard. So let me just show you. So what I can do is just type Ctrl+All, and I will click on Ctrl+C, and then I will go to my WordPress dashboard and I will type Ctrl+V, and all the words are now copied to my WordPress editor. And as you can see, it has copied everything. So let me just cut this one and make it as title. Now let's hit back and let's edit this article now. So here I can highlight the important words, like I can highlight like bounce rate. So I will highlight it, and there is an important word like SEO. So let's go back and I will highlight SEO factor. So let's make it bold. Now let's scroll down, and here as you can see I have link out to a resources. So let me just click on here, and as you can see I have link out to official handles of Google. So you should do external linking in your articles so that it will give you a better SEO benefits. So let me just close this one, and make sure to always open external link in new tab. So I can just click on open in new tab, and if you don't want to do it manually, then you can use the rank math plugin to open all the external link in a new tab. So let me just show you how you can do that. So let's go to dashboard here. Now let me just go to rank math, and here I will see this option general setting. Now here you will see this option link, and if I scroll down, and here you will see this option open external link in new tab. If you enable this option, then all the external link will be opened in a new tab. So you don't have to do it manually every time. Here I have mentioned the bounce rate. So let's click on here. And here I have copied the bounce rate definition. That's why I have added this in a double quote. So let me just do it like that. And you can also highlight this word like this, what is bounce rate. And you can also make it looks more interactive by adding a box layout. So let me just do it. So I will simply search for row layout here, and I will select a single row layout. And then I will click on advanced text here, and I will copy this one and paste it here. Now I will hit enter, then I will copy everything from here, and I will paste it like this. Now let me just delete this one, and let's select this one, and I will select the whole row layout. Now let's add some padding from the left and right. So let's add right padding of 15 and left padding of 15. Now let's add a background color here like this, or make it a little deep. Now let's select this one, and let's make it center align, and let's select this one, and let's make it center align. And you can also add border around it. So let's click on border setting, and let's select the border width to 2 pixels, and let's change the border color to something like red, or you can make it like black. And you can also add border radius. So let me just do it like 10, or let's leave the border radius to 0. So as you can see, it looks now a little bit better, and Google can easily pick this as a feature snippet. So you need to do it like this if you are using any definition in your article. Now let me just bold this word, and let's scroll down, and I can highlight important numbers like 60%. So I can highlight it by making it bold. And by the way, if you found this content helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. Okay, so I have added a title like "Is a high bounce rate a bad thing?" and I have make it as S2 tag. So let's click on this I button, and as you can see, I have added it as a S2 tag. Now scroll down and let's check this one is H2, and I will add this as a H3 tag. So I will change it to H3 here. Now scroll down, and in 2 I will change it to H3. So let's do that. Now let's scroll down and let's change it to H3. Okay, I have assigned H3 tag to all of the headings. So let me just click on I button, and as you can see, this is the heading structure. I have added it like is a high bounce rate a bad thing. I have put it as H2, and then I have explained why your bounce rate is so high and its solution, and I have given 10 solution of bounce rate. So I have added it in H3 tag, and again I have added the frequently asked question in H2 tag. So let's scroll down here, and there is conclusion. So I will make the conclusion in H2 tag. Now let's click on the heading structure, and as you can see, this is how the heading structure looks, simple and easy to understand by the user. And let's fix the grammar here. So Grammarly, you can use Grammarly extension to fix the grammatical error in your website. So let's quickly do that. Okay, now the grammatical error is fixed in this article. So let me just scroll down and let's find if there are any changes needed. So I will make it like bold, did you know, or I can also put it in a box field like this. So let me just do that. So I will simply search for row layout here. Let's add a single row layout. Now let me just copy this one, and let's add a advanced heading here, and let's change it to something like a deep tag here. Let's remove this one. Now let's copy this one, and I will hit enter here, and I will paste the list. Now let me just remove this list here. Now let's hit enter. Now select the row layout here, and let's change it to a first paragraph one here, and here I will select this, and I will make it as list, and then I will change it to icon list. Now let's select the row layout, and let's add the padding from right to 10 and padding from the left to 10. Now let's add a background color here, or let's add the right to 15 and left padding to 15. Okay, now let's add the border color here, and let's add the border width to 2. Okay, and you can also design it in your own way, and you can also change the icon color here, or you can change the icon. So let's click on edit all icon together, and let's select a different icon from here. So let's click on this one, and let's change the icon color to red. Okay, now let me just scroll down, and here I have added some list here. So I will select this one and make it as list. And if you are using Cadence block, then you can also use the icon list feature here. And let's change the icon color to red. Now let's change it to a H3 tag here. Okay, now let's add the frequently asked question in this article. So what I can do is just hit enter here, and I will type slash, and I will type accordion, and I will add the accordion block, And by the way, here I am using the cadence block to generate the icon list accordion block like this. So let's select this accordion block from here, and I will copy this title one by one, and I will copy this text here. Now let's copy the second title from here. Okay, I have copied all the frequently asked questions, so let me just select all from here and let's delete this one. Okay, now I have added the accordion block. Let's design this accordion block. So let's click on pen and title, and you can change the title color. So I will keep it as default, and let's add an icon here, and let's change this icon from here. So let's keep it like this, and you can also change the position, icon position. So let's change it to right. Now let's pen title border, so you can also add a border width like this. So I don't want to add border width here. Now let's pen title font, and you can adjust the font size from here and line height and everything. And you can also change the text font to capitalize here, and let's change the font weight to bold. And you can also change the inner content. So let's change the inner content background to something like this. And most important thing, you need to enable the FAQ schema here. So let's enable the FAQ schema in this FAQ sections. Okay, now the FAQ section is ready. Now let's click on here, and let's change the hover color from here to red. So let's click on save draft. Now let me just preview in a new tab here. Okay, so let me just scroll down and let's search for that FAQ schema. And as you can see, this is how the FAQ schema looks like. And you can also see that when I hover the question, it will show a hover color like this. So you can customize the FAQ block according to your choice. And I think the article is now looking quite good, and we need to change the image because we have copied the image from the Google Docs. So let's change the image first. So let's change the image. So let me just upload the image from my computer, and I will replace that image with my own image, and let's change the image from my computer. Now let's add a feature image to this article. So for this I will click on post here, and I will click on feature image. So let's click on here, and let's select the file, and let's add the feature image from here. Okay, now the feature image is uploaded. So let me just copy this title and let's add it in the alt text field. So alt text is very important when it comes to image SEO, because Google use this alt text information to show you the better images in Google search. So make sure to add alt text in all of the images. So let's click on add a feature image here. Now let me just scroll down, and this one. So let's assign alt text to this image. So I will select this one like slow loading of web page, or I can add it like slower page load equal to higher bounce rate. Like this, I have added the alt text here. Now let's add this. So let me just copy this one, too many intrusive ads, and let's add the alt text here. And let me just add link whisper. So let me just copy this text from here, and I will paste the text here, link whisper WordPress plugin, like this. Now let's select this one, open link, open external link in new tab, rank math, like this. So you can include your keyword in the alt text field, and let's select the category from here. So as this is a SEO category. So I will select the SEO from here and I will deselect blogging from here. And you can also assign from tags. So let's assign the tags like bounce rate, and you can also assign tags like blogging, or you can assign tag like ranking, and you can also assign some more tags here. So I have added 3 tags here and I have selected the category. Now it's time to change the permalink, and as you can see the permalink is very big. So I will delete this one, like ways to reduce bounce rate on website. So let's add this like that, and I will delete everything else like this. And as you can see, now the permalink is now small. So let's click on save draft. Now you can also use the rank math features to add different SEO techniques. So let's select this one, like let's copy the main keyword bounce rate here and I will paste it here. And as you can see, by default it is taken 87 score, and as you can see here it is saying that your focus keyword is in the title, focus keyword used inside the SEO meta description, bounce rate. So the focus keyword is there, or you can also edit the meta description if you want. And here as you can see, this is the meta description shown in the Google search result page. So make sure to include your focus keyword in both title and meta description. That's why it is saying tick mark here. And focus keyword is also in the URL, and focus keyword appears in the first 10% of the content. And as you can see, I have added the focus keyword right at the beginning, and the content is 1643 words. So it is saying that good job. Now let's click on additional settings, and here you can see focus keyword found in the sub heading. Sub heading means like H2 tag or H3 tag. You need to add your keyword in headings tags also. And you can also maintain the keyword density, and you can reduce the URL character. So it is set to 60 characters, so it's great. And you can also link to external resources, and it is saying that we couldn't find any internal link in your content. So let's do some internal linking here. So let me just read the paragraph, and here as you can see I can internal link in SEO. So let me just open this website, and I can simply search for SEO here, and let's scroll down and let's find some SEO tag here, or I can just link to my SEO category. So let's copy this category link here, and I will add the link here. Now let's scroll down and let me find some other internal linking opportunity, and here it is, core web vitals. So I can link to these resources. So let me just highlight this one, let me just copy this, and I will click on link. I can search for the core web vitals article here right from here. So I will click on core web vital, and I have added the internal linking. And let's find any other internal linking here, and I found a word like SEO ranking. So let's find ranking here, and I will select this article and I will copy this one, how to find perfect keyword for better ranking. So I can just internal link like SEO ranking here, and I will paste it here. Now let's scroll down, and here there is a rank math. So let me just add my affiliate link in rank math. So what I can do is just select the rank math here, and I will click on the drop down arrow, and I will select the pretty link. So here I am using the pretty link plugin to insert the affiliate link. So I have already made a dedicated tutorial on pretty links, so you can check that video link in the description. So let me just simply search for rank math here, and I will select the rank math affiliate link here, and I will click on enter. So the rank math link is already added, and the no follow and the sponsored tag is already added in this link, so I don't have to do it again. And I can highlight this one like rank math general setting links. Now let's scroll down, and Here you can also link out to resources like plugins, yet another related post plugin. So what I can do is just simply select this one, right click on it, and I will click on search Google, and I will just get that plugin link from here, and I will highlight this plugin like this, and I will add the link in this plugin. So I can do the same. So let's find this one, let's select this one, and let's copy the link, and I will just Ctrl+B, and I have added the link. So let's do the same. I think now we have added internal link here. We have fixed the title, meta description, image, alt text, permalink and everything, and we have also added the FAQ schema here. And you can also fix your grammatical error using the Grammarly Chrome extension, and if you are using from your mobile devices, then you can use the Grammarly keyboard on your mobile phone. Okay, so SEO score is around 91. So I generally don't look at the SEO score by rank math, because you need to do the SEO on yourself, and you don't have to rely on any third-party tools to get the SEO score. You can use this content AI feature to get more related keywords or get more related questions for your article. So let's click on preview, and let's publish this blog post to our website. Okay, so we have added the feature image, and you can design the feature image using tools like Canva. So I have already made a tutorial on how to design thumbnails in Canva, so you can watch that video also. So as you can see, it is now looking good. Now let me just scroll down, and we have added different external link and internal link here. And as you can see, this image is designed using the Canva, and I have designed this using that tool. And you can also design different elements using row layout and like info box and everything using the Cadence block plugin. And you can also identify internal linking opportunity by using the link whisper plugin. By the way, I am not using it in my own website, but I am planning to use this plugin, so that this plugin will help you identify the internal linking, and you don't have to manually search for internal linking opportunity in your website. Now let's scroll down, and we have done everything right. And you can also add a link at the end of the blog post. So let me just simply do that. So let me just scroll off, and let's go to SEO category from here, and let's do some internal linking. So I will select this one, free indexing checklist. So let's scroll down, and let's click on here, and I will add a paragraph like read also, and I will type like free indexing checklist like this, and I will highlight this one, click on link, and I will simply search for indexing, and I will select the free indexing checklist. And I can also open this in a new tab if you want. So let's click on settings here, and I think everything is done. Now let's click on publish, and I will click on publish button. Okay, now the post is published to our website. So you can copy the link of your post, and you can also directly share it to your social media platform. So let's do that. So what I can do is just simply highlight this word, cut this one, and I will just right click on it, and I will click on paste, and it will get the details, and let's click on tweet. And as you can see, the article is now posted to Twitter. So let's post the same article in Pinterest. So I can simply search for Pinterest here. Now what I can do is just click on create button, and I will click on create pin. Now let's go to post. Let's copy the URL from here, and I will click on save from site, and I will enter that URL, and I will click on here, and it will get the image from that URL. So let me just select this one and this one, and I will click on add two pins. Now let's add our title from here. So I will simply search for 9 simple ways to reduce bounce rate, and I will paste it here. Now let's add the description here. So I can simply add a description like, so you can write a brief description about your article, and you can also simply copy this title and add it as alt text, and you can also select the category from here. So let's select the category like SEO, and I will click on publish. Okay, this pin is now published, and you can also do the same. So let's click on see this, and as you can see, the Pinterest pin is now published to our Pinterest website. So I hope you have understand how to publish an article in your website and do proper SEO of that article. And if you have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if this video is helpful to you, then make sure to hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.